Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to find out how old a Discord account is. And you can find out everyone's Discord account, like how old anyone's Discord account is, not just yours, but anyone's. So it's kind of like an intrusion of privacy, but it is what it is, I guess. So first you want to open up your browser and you want to type in this website, discord.id. Now once you type that website in, it's going to bring you here, user ID or any ID. Now this user ID is not this one. Wait, sorry, I'll disable that. This user ID is not this one. If you put in this, it's not really going to show you. See, enter a valid ID. That's not going to come up. So you want to go to user settings. Once you're in user settings, you want to go to advanced, and once you're in advanced, you want to enable developer mode. Once you enable that, your job in the settings menu is done. Now you want to press on escape. Now for example, let's go to this server, right? Apex Legends server, and from here we're just gonna choose someone random, such as this guy. Apparently this guy's a professional Apex player. Alright, so now over here, once I right click, we can see this copy ID. So after right clicking, we're gonna copy this ID, and then we're gonna paste this ID, and then we're gonna press on lookup. And then it's gonna do that little challenge that you're not a bot, and then we find out that this is the username. It was created on Sunday, 21st April on 2019, and that's the banner color. And we just found out all the information regarding this account, on when it was created, banner color, and everything. So don't use this to spy on people, obviously, but if you want to know how old a Discord account is, it's as simple as this. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. If it did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.